Ever feel like you're juggling chainsaws while trying to run your service business? You're taking calls scribbled on napkins, chasing down invoices that seem to have vanished into thin air, and trying to remember which technician is where and doing what. Sound familiar? If so, you're definitely not alone. For years, field service professionals like plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, cleaners, and countless others have faced the daily grind of managing complex operations with a patchwork of spreadsheets, paper trails, and maybe, if you were lucky, a few disconnected software tools. It's a recipe for stress, inefficiency, and ultimately, lost revenue. But what if there was a better way? What if you could streamline your entire workflow, from the moment a customer calls to the final payment, all within one intuitive platform? Well, that's precisely what Housecall Pro offers. It's become a game changer for countless service businesses, helping them ditch the chaos and embrace efficiency. Reason number 1, streamline scheduling and dispatching. Let's face it, scheduling and dispatching can be a logistical nightmare. Trying to coordinate technicians' availability, locations, and job requirements while also responding to new service requests can feel like an impossible puzzle. Housecall Pro transforms this chaos into seamless efficiency. Imagine having a visual calendar that shows you exactly where every technician is in real time. With drag-and-drop functionality, you can easily assign jobs, reschedule appointments, and optimize routes to minimize travel time and maximize productivity. No more frantic phone calls trying to figure out who's closest or who's available. But it goes beyond just visual scheduling. Housecall Pro allows for automated appointment confirmations and reminders to be sent to customers, significantly reducing no-shows and keeping everyone in the loop. Technicians receive all the necessary job details directly on their mobile devices, including customer information, service history, and even attachments like photos or specific instructions. This eliminates misunderstandings and ensures they arrive prepared to tackle the job. Reason number 2, effortless invoicing and payments. The bane of many service businesses? Getting paid, chasing down invoices, dealing with paper checks, and manually processing payments is time-consuming and prone to errors. Housecall Pro revolutionizes this crucial aspect of your business. With Housecall Pro, you can generate professional-looking invoices in seconds, directly from the completed job details. No more scribbling on carbon copies or spending hours creating invoices manually. These invoices can be easily emailed or even texted to customers on the spot. But the real magic lies in the integrated payment processing. Housecall Pro allows you to accept various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and even digital wallets, both in the field and online. This makes it incredibly convenient for customers to pay, leading to faster turnaround times and improved cash flow for your business. Imagine your technician completing a job and instantly sending an invoice with a secure payment link. The customer can pay right then and there, eliminating the need for follow-up calls and delayed payments. Plus, Housecall Pro often offers features like automated payment reminders and the ability to set up recurring billing for maintenance contracts, further streamlining your revenue cycle. Say goodbye to payment headaches and hello to getting paid faster and more efficiently. Reason number 3, enhanced customer communication and experience. In today's world, excellent customer service is paramount. Customers expect clear communication, timely updates, and a seamless experience. Housecall Pro equips you with the tools to deliver just that. We've already touched on automated appointment confirmations and reminders, which are crucial for keeping customers informed. But Housecall Pro goes further. Many platforms offer features like two-way communication between the office and the technician in the field, allowing for quick clarification and updates without disrupting the job. Furthermore, some versions allow for on-my-way notifications to be sent to customers, letting them know exactly when to expect their technician. This eliminates the frustrating waiting window and shows respect for their time. After the job is complete, you can easily solicit customer feedback through automated review requests. Positive reviews build your online reputation and attract new customers. Addressing any negative feedback promptly demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction. Reason number 4, powerful organization and reporting. Running a successful service business requires a clear understanding of your key metrics. Where is your revenue coming from? Which services are most profitable? How efficient are your technicians? Without accurate data, it's difficult to make informed decisions and grow your business. Housecall Pro acts as a central hub for all your business information, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. From customer records and service history to job details and financial transactions, everything is stored in one place, eliminating the need to sift through piles of paperwork or multiple disconnected systems. But the real power lies in the reporting capabilities. Housecall Pro often provides insightful reports on various aspects of your business, such as revenue trends, technician performance, customer acquisition costs, and more. This data allows you to identify areas for improvement, track your progress, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your operations and boost profitability. Reason number 5, scalability and growth potential. Whether you're a solo operator just starting out or a well-established business with a growing team, Housecall Pro is designed to scale with your needs. The platform offers various subscription levels and features that can be tailored to businesses of different sizes and complexities. As your team grows, you can easily add more users and manage their permissions. As your service offerings expand, you can customize your service catalog and pricing. Housecall Pro provides a flexible foundation that can adapt to your evolving business needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.